Hey guys, welcome back to Jack on Track and another episode of the Back Shop. We are not doing a decoder install. This one already has a decoder in it. I'd like to put sound in it, but I don't think anyone makes a decoder for this, and I'm kind of moving away from Digitrax decoders. I'm just having a lot of trouble with them. As you guys have been hearing, I'm looking to build a On30 layout. And I saw this little bugger, and I'm like, wow, that thing is pretty cool. And the price on this one was pretty cheap compared to all the rest of them. I'm going to take it for what it is. The guy who sold me this did not know, but this had broken gears. This was brand new, too, by the way. This is a brand new unit. It was actually in a sealed box when I got it. So, I'm going to go, he didn't know it had bad gears. All right, so talking to the seller on eBay, he was going to give me a full refund. I said, no, there's no reason to do that. If you want to just refund me the money, I think it was like, I forgot what the gears were. They're like $14 for just the gears. I think these were $20, the whole thing. So I just bought the whole thing. And he's like, oh, no, I'll give you like $50 back. I'm like, no, just refund me what the cost, what it is. You got to make money. It's an accident. It's not a big deal. And he refunded me a lot of money. So thank you. And let's go from there. All right, so I'm going to do a small tip. So this is a cool little unit. Doesn't have sound. Wish it did. I think it would be pretty cool with sound, but I don't know. I don't think anyone makes sound. There is a soundtrack like Wycombe Diesel. Do I start moving into ESU? Oh, man. I'd like to try a couple of ESUs. I may just pick up a decoder. I got a buddy that has he has the programmer. As you guys with ESU stuff know, you pretty much need the programmer to do anything with that thing. Even reading them, those decoders on JMRI, man, you got to pack a lunch, man. Just a simple read, single sheet of CVs on that thing goes into the hours. It's annoying. So, this is probably going to be a real simple fix. Real quick. Oh, look at that. All right. Open up this box. Baggie right here. A couple little pins in here. They got a little messed up in the shipping. All right. So, but I have spares. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a split on that gear, and this gear is starting to split, but it is what it is. Quartered, and that's pretty much it. All right, you know what I do? Don't need a lot because there's grease already in here. This is just gear oil. Hey guys, look at that. That was a pretty quick episode, right? Let me see. I got a couple just floating around here. These 48s. I'm gonna leave these in here for now they make it like a set of, I think they make On30. That's in there. I seen a really nice looking 3D printed and painted conductor for this thing. So I'm like, I'm seriously considering ordering it. I did take this apart already, and there is really no room in here for a speaker. So it's kind of, the only thing you could do is maybe make some sort of speaker housing that would fit in this corner of the cab over here. I don't know. But it is what it is. I did contemplate possibly changing out this LED in here because I wasn't feeling it. But I think it's going to be pretty cool on the layout. I'm going to use this probably in the logging area to switch the log cars around maybe. I don't know. We'll figure it out. All right, guys, let's move over to the test track, and we'll give this a little test. All right, guys, so I got it back up on the tracks, and with a little tinkering with the quartering. Just took me a second. It's running smoother. We're probably gonna have to go back in and play with it again, but here we go. Lights on. Oh, lights on. No power. I think with a little running, it'll smooth out a little bit better. Yeah, that's about it. Let me just do one thing really quick. Come in here, open this up. Program real quick. Let me. I've been going with a specific. Tune on this thing because I basically, this thing got very little. All right, give me 1 second, right back. All right, guys, so we got it figured out. I did a little adjustment on the momentum, and this is one click. I gotta come in here and do. I think I gotta adjust these the quartering just a little bit more. I think it's off just a hair. I'm not sure which side, but it's pretty easy to figure it out. But that's 2 clicks, smooths right out. So that's pretty much it for now. We'll get back and tinker with that later when I put the figure in and I do a little detailing on this thing. But relatively quick. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. I'm going to try to get back to doing at least 1 video a week. New year, getting over this illness is really not really helping. But I appreciate it, and I do thank you for all the kind words that you guys gave me while I was ill. All right, guys, once again, like and subscribe, hit that notification button, and hit that subscribe button, please. We're getting close to 400. I like to break 500 by, I don't know, sometime soon. And as always, guys, catch you later.